Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist. If you are going into content suggestions section and you will not find here an option of reset your Instagram algorithm, so you have to first go back and open your app store. After that, tap here Instagram. You must update your Instagram application. If your Instagram application already updated, then go back and open your Instagram application. Tap on profile icon, then tap on three lines and scroll down and tap on suggested content and take a screenshot of this. Go back, scroll down in the setting and activity control section, tap on help, tap on report a problem, tap on report without shaking, tap on include and continue, tap on upload here and describe here. Please enable reset Instagram algorithm option here as soon as possible. Thanks. Tap on send button and hopefully after 24 hours your problem will be resolved and your option will be enabled here. After that, update your Instagram application